Tesla can build an entire car in 30 seconds. That's right, a fully functional brand new car rolls off Tesla's assembly line every half a minute at their Giga Shanghai factory. Under the leadership of Elon Musk, Tesla has completely redefined what it means to manufacture cars. In an industry known for slow production and old-school methods, Tesla's approach is like something out of the future. It's fast, efficient, and automated in ways other car companies can only dream of. And let's not forget that Tesla isn't just any car company. They're the leader in electric vehicles. With more than 950,000 cars produced annually at Giga Shanghai alone, Tesla is setting a new standard for the auto industry. But it wasn't always this way. Not long ago, Tesla was in production hell, struggling to keep up with the demand for its Model 3. Elon Musk was literally sleeping on the factory floor, trying to solve the problems himself.
Everybody get ready to meet the demand. We're going to be in production hell.
Yes.
But you didn't expect this kind of production hell, or did you?
No, it's worse than I thought.
Why is that?
Fast forward to today, and Tesla is not just surviving, they're dominating. They've gone from being on the brink of bankruptcy to becoming a global leader in innovation.
You know people are nervous and they're worried. You are aware of that. So knowing that, why would you do an April Fool's joke that you did?
Oh, because there were all these media articles saying that Tesla's going bankrupt.
Yes.
So I thought, well, I'll just do an April Fool's joke that we did go bankrupt.
But Elon, that's not funny when people are nervous.
I mean, it's April Fool's. People should lighten up, okay? It should be pretty obvious, I think, that I'm not going to joke about bankruptcy if I think it's remotely real. I'm feeling pretty optimistic about where Tesla is at this point. At this point, I can have a clear understanding of the path out of hell, and I do not, until recently, have a clear understanding.
Pushing the boundaries of what's possible in electric vehicle production. So, how does Tesla build a car every 30 seconds? What kind of technology and processes make this happen? In this video, we're taking you behind the scenes of Tesla's revolutionary manufacturing process. Get ready to see how the future is being built today, faster than ever before. Let's start by diving into the hub of Tesla's speed, Giga Shanghai, the factory that makes it all possible. The powerhouse, Tesla's Giga Shanghai. The key to Tesla's lightning-fast production? It all starts with Giga Shanghai. Opened in 2019, this mega factory was built with one goal in mind: to produce cars faster and more efficiently than ever before. And Tesla delivered. Within just 11 months of breaking ground, they were already producing vehicles. That's unheard of in the automotive world, where building a new factory and getting it operational can take years. Today, Giga Shanghai is Tesla's most productive factory, capable of cranking out 950,000 cars every year. That's about one car every 30 seconds. And it's not just about speed. 95% of the production process is automated. Robots do the heavy lifting, assembling, welding, and even painting the cars with precision and speed that no human workforce could ever match. But there's another advantage to Giga Shanghai: its location. China is the world's largest market for electric vehicles, and Giga Shanghai is positioned perfectly to serve both domestic and global demand. In October 2023 alone, Tesla exported over 43,000 vehicles from this factory, making up nearly 40% of China's EV exports. Giga Shanghai isn't just a factory, it's the heart of Tesla's global strategy, helping the company stay ahead of the competition. Its scale, speed, and automation are unmatched in the industry. Now that we've seen the scale of Giga Shanghai, let's take a closer look at how Tesla builds a car so quickly, starting from the very first step. The manufacturing process, from stamping to delivery. Tesla's manufacturing process is like a well-oiled machine, literally. It starts with stamping. Imagine massive machines pressing sheets of aluminum into the precise shapes needed for the car's body parts. Whether it's a door, fender, or hood, these machines shape them in seconds, keeping the production line moving at full speed. Once the body parts are ready, they move into the body in white stage. Here, robots take over, welding the pieces together to form the car's skeleton. These robotic arms are incredibly fast and precise, working in sync to assemble the frame. What used to take hours of manual labor now happens in just minutes. After the frame is complete, human workers step in to attach key exterior components like doors and fenders, making sure everything fits perfectly. Then, the car goes through the paint shop, where robots apply a flawless coat of primer and paint. Depending on the color, the process can be more complex. White is simple, but colors like red require multiple coats to get just right. The paint shop is fully automated, ensuring every Tesla comes out with a showroom-quality finish. Finally, the car moves on to interior fitting. This is where the seats, wiring, and dashboard are installed. Once all the interior components are in place, the car is almost ready to hit the road. But no Tesla would be complete without the technology that powers it. let's take a look at what really makes a Tesla unique: its battery and powertrain. The heart of a Tesla: battery and powertrain integration. What makes a Tesla truly special isn't just its sleek design or futuristic look, it's what's under the hood, or rather, under the floor. Tesla's battery and powertrain system are the heart of every vehicle. Unlike traditional cars, where the engine sits up front, a Tesla's battery is built directly into the structure of the car itself. This is known as a structural battery pack, and it serves two purposes. It powers the car and also makes it stronger by being a part of the frame. This design not only saves space and weight, but also allows for faster production. Tesla's use of a structural battery is a game changer, allowing them to produce cars that are both lighter and more efficient. And then there's the Gigapress. This massive machine is like something out of a sci-fi movie. It can cast large sections of the car, like the front and rear underbodies, from a single piece of metal. Before the Gigapress, these parts were made up of hundreds of smaller pieces that had to be welded and bolted together. Now, the Gigapress does all of that in just one go, making the car building process faster and simpler. Finally, we have the electric motors. These motors are attached directly to the car's castings, providing that signature smooth and silent Tesla acceleration. With everything integrated so seamlessly, Tesla's production process is not just fast, it's revolutionary. While robots do a lot of the heavy lifting, let's not forget the important role of human workers in this high-tech dance. Robotics and workforce in perfect harmony. At Tesla, the synergy between humans and machines is what makes their production process truly unique. While robots handle the majority of the assembly, welding, and painting, human workers are still an essential part of the process. It's this perfect blend of technology and human oversight that keeps everything running smoothly. For example, robots can weld and assemble the car's frame with precision, but it's the human engineers who ensure the robots are calibrated correctly. These skilled workers step in to handle the finer details, like fitting the body panels perfectly and making sure the interior components are installed just right. Tesla's production line is also designed to be adaptable. While robots are incredibly efficient, humans are there to make quick adjustments when needed. Whether it's troubleshooting a machine or making sure the final product meets Tesla's strict quality standards, the workforce plays a critical role in keeping the line moving. And then there's quality control. Every car goes through a rigorous inspection before it leaves the factory. Workers carefully check for any imperfections or defects to make sure that every Tesla rolling off the line is perfect. This attention to detail, combined with Tesla's cutting-edge technology, ensures that the cars are not only built fast, but also built to last. But it wasn't always this smooth for Tesla. They had to learn some tough lessons along the way. Let's look at how Tesla went from production hell to becoming the fastest car manufacturer in the world. Scaling efficiency: how Tesla beat production hell. Back in 2017, Tesla was in production hell. The Model 3 had just launched, and demand was through the roof, but Tesla couldn't build the cars fast enough. Elon Musk was literally sleeping on the factory floor, trying to figure out how to solve the endless production issues. Conveyor belts were breaking down, robots weren't working correctly, and the entire system was overloaded. So, what changed?
Why is it harder? What happened?
We got complacent about some of the things that we felt were our core technology. We put too much new technology into the Model 3 all at once. That this should have been staged.
Musk realized that Tesla had over-automated the process. They were trying to rely on robots for everything, even tasks that required a human touch. So Tesla went back to basics. Musk introduced a 5-step algorithm to fix production: question every requirement, delete unnecessary parts, simplify processes, accelerate cycle time, and automate, but only as the final step. By simplifying the production process, Tesla was able to speed things up dramatically. They introduced the Gigapress, which eliminated hundreds of individual parts and revamped their entire assembly line to be more efficient.
And we're able to unlock some of the critical things that were holding us back from reaching 2,000 cars a week. But since then, we've continued to do 2,000 cars a week.
Do you think that this is sustainable? This pace is sustainable?
Yeah, so we'll probably have, I don't know, a 3- or 4-fold increase in Model 3 output in the second quarter.
These changes allowed Tesla to go from struggling to meet demand to producing cars faster than any other company. Tesla didn't stop there. They've continued to innovate, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in manufacturing. Let's dive into the technological innovations that are setting Tesla apart. Why Tesla's innovations are revolutionizing manufacturing.
I mean, the fossil fuel industry is the biggest industry in the world. They have more money and more influence than any other sector. So, I mean, the more that there can be sort of a popular uprising against that, the better. But I think the scientific fact of the matter is we are unavoidably headed towards some level of harm. So the sooner we can take action, the less harm will result.
Tesla's ability to produce cars every 30 seconds is thanks to a series of game-changing innovations. One of the biggest breakthroughs is the gigapress, a gigantic machine capable of casting entire sections of a car from a single piece of metal. This drastically reduces the number of parts needed, making the assembly process faster, cheaper, and more reliable. By using the gigapress, Tesla has cut down the complexity of building a car. For example, the rear underbody of the Model Y used to require 70 different pieces, but now it's made from just 2. Fewer parts mean fewer things that can go wrong, and it speeds up production in a way that no other car maker has achieved. Tesla is also revolutionizing battery technology. Their structural battery packs not only power the car, but are integrated into the vehicle's design, making the car lighter and more energy efficient. These innovations allow Tesla to produce electric cars more affordably while maintaining high quality and performance. But Elon Musk's vision doesn't stop there. He's constantly looking for ways to simplify the process even further. In the future, Tesla could be producing cars with even fewer parts, making the production process even faster and more efficient. So, what does the future of Tesla's manufacturing look like? Let's explore how they plan to push their limits even further. The future of Tesla manufacturing: even faster, even cheaper. Tesla isn't slowing down anytime soon. In fact, they're ramping up production even more. With new gigafactories in Texas and Berlin, Tesla plans to produce over 3 million cars annually. These new factories are designed with the latest technology, including more advanced gigapress machines and structural battery packs to streamline production even further.
The Gigafactory, when it's complete, will have the largest footprint of any building in the world. Counting multiple levels, it could be as much as 15 million square feet. So Tesla can't build 100 gigafactories. The thing that's really going to make a difference is if companies that are much bigger than Tesla do the same thing. If the big industrial companies in China and the US and Europe, the big car companies, if they also do this, then collectively we can accelerate the transition to sustainable energy. And if government sets the rules to favor sustainable energy, we can get there really quickly. But it's really fundamental. Unless there's a price put on carbon,
we're never going to be able to make the transition that we need to in time, correct?
Yeah. And the only way to do that is basically with a carbon tax.
One of the most exciting developments is Tesla's work on a 48-volt electrical architecture. Traditional cars use a 12-volt system, but as cars become more electric and more complex, the demand for power increases. A 48-volt system allows Tesla to reduce the size and weight of the wiring, which makes the car lighter and more efficient to build. This could shave precious seconds off the assembly process. Tesla is also working on Ethernet controller wiring, which will reduce the number of wires needed to connect the car's electronic components. Fewer wires mean a simpler assembly process, which translates to faster production. And Elon Musk has even bigger plans for the future. He envisions a day when Tesla can produce a car every 15 seconds. By continuing to innovate and streamline, Tesla is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in manufacturing. Now that we've covered Tesla's cutting-edge manufacturing and their ability to produce a car every 30 seconds, let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. Tesla's influence goes far beyond the assembly line. They've revolutionized not only how cars are made, but also how the world views energy, sustainability, and the future of transportation. The history of Tesla. From startup to global disruptor. Tesla's story begins in 2003, when a group of engineers, including Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning, set out to prove that electric vehicles, EVs, could be fast, efficient, and desirable. Their vision was to create a world where clean, renewable energy powered the cars of tomorrow. But it wasn't until Elon Musk joined as a major investor and CEO in 2004 that Tesla began to make waves in the industry. Musk brought both the funding and the bold vision needed to transform Tesla into what it is today. Tesla's first car, the Roadster, debuted in 2008. Unlike any other EV before it, the Roadster could travel over 200 miles on a single charge, breaking the misconception that electric cars were impractical for long-distance driving. It was sleek, fast, and revolutionary. But it was just the beginning. Tesla's real breakthrough came with the launch of the Model S in 2012. With its luxury design, cutting-edge technology, and impressive range, the Model S showed the world that electric cars could be just as desirable, if not more so, than gas-powered vehicles. From there, Tesla rapidly expanded its lineup, introducing the Model X, Model 3, and Model Y, each offering a balance of performance, affordability, and sustainability. The Model 3, in particular, revolutionized the market, becoming the best-selling electric car globally and proving that EVs weren't just for the wealthy. Tesla was now a serious contender, challenging traditional automakers and leading the shift toward a cleaner, greener future. But it's not just about cars. Tesla's real impact lies in how they've redefined the way we think about energy and transportation as a whole. Let's explore how they've played a crucial role in the fight against climate change. Tesla's role in fighting climate change, the push for sustainable energy. Tesla's mission goes beyond building cars. Elon Musk has always been clear that Tesla exists to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy.
We actually did the calculations to say, like, what would it take to transition the whole world to sustainable energy? What kind of throughput would you actually need? And you need 100 gigafactories.
So 100 of these.
100 of these, yes.
That would make the United States.
No, the whole world.
The whole world.
The whole world. All energy.
That's it?
Yeah.
That sounds.
It's manageable.
That sounds manageable.
Yeah.
One of the biggest contributors to climate change is the transportation sector, responsible for nearly 15% of global CO2 emissions. By creating vehicles that run on electricity instead of fossil fuels, Tesla has made a significant dent in the fight against climate change. But their contribution doesn't stop at electric cars. Tesla is also pioneering solar technology through Solar City, which it acquired in 2016. Tesla's solar roofs are designed to turn sunlight into electricity for homes and businesses, with sleek integrated solar panels that blend into the architecture. The goal? To make every building not only a consumer of electricity, but also a producer. These innovations have positioned Tesla as a leader in the global movement toward clean energy, and their influence is only growing. By pushing the boundaries of battery technology and renewable energy storage, Tesla is playing a critical role in reducing the world's dependence on fossil fuels. With a commitment to sustainability and an aggressive drive toward innovation, Tesla has managed to disrupt not just one industry, but several. Let's see how Tesla has revolutionized the auto industry and redefined what it means to drive. Tesla's global impact, revolutionizing the auto industry. Tesla's influence on the automotive industry cannot be overstated. Before Tesla, electric vehicles, EVs, were niche products, often viewed as slow, boring, and impractical. But Tesla shattered that perception with the launch of the Model S in 2012. Suddenly, here was an electric car that could go from 0 to 60 mph in under 3 seconds, had an incredible range, and looked like a luxury sedan. Tesla didn't just make EVs popular, they made them cool. Tesla's direct-to-consumer sales model also changed the way cars are bought and sold. Instead of relying on traditional dealerships, Tesla sells its cars online, allowing buyers to customize their vehicles and have them delivered directly to their homes. This model disrupted the car dealership industry and gave consumers more control over the buying experience. In addition, Tesla has pushed other automakers to step up their game. Traditional manufacturers like GM, Ford, and Volkswagen have ramped up their own EV programs in response to Tesla's dominance. The introduction of Tesla's Autopilot, their advanced driver assistance system, has also accelerated the race toward autonomous driving. Other companies are now rushing to develop their own versions of self-driving technology to compete. But it's not just the car industry that Tesla has transformed. The company's innovations in battery technology, renewable energy storage, and sustainable production methods have created ripple effects across multiple sectors. Whether it's electric trucks like the Tesla Semi or their ambitious plans for a robo-taxi fleet, Tesla is continuously pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Transition. From revolutionizing the way cars are made to leading the charge toward a more sustainable future, Tesla has had a profound impact on the world. But what does the future hold for Tesla, and how will they continue to shape the next generation of transportation? What does the future hold? So, what's next for Tesla? The company has already changed the way we think about electric vehicles and manufacturing, but they're just getting started. With new factories, groundbreaking technologies, and a relentless drive to innovate, Tesla is on track to continue dominating the electric vehicle market. Can Tesla eventually produce a car every 15 seconds? With their current pace of innovation, it's not just a possibility, it's almost inevitable. Elon Musk's vision for the future is clear: faster production, cheaper costs, and a world where electric vehicles are the norm, not the exception. If you're as excited as we are about Tesla's future, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you think Tesla will achieve next. Will they be the first company to produce 10 million electric cars a year? Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Factora now.